Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Today I'm back with another Let's Niche Down series, and we are going to be using the keyword whale. I absolutely love doing these Let's Niche Down series where you guys can see me go through the process of using one keyword and possibly niching down and finding an undeserved niche or a niche that people have not decided to go into as well. When I do these niche researches, you can use this for like journal research, shirt research, for build a brand out of it. There's so many options that you can use this series, investing in more research for yourself and for your brand as well. If you guys are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. So we're going to go over to Amazon and I'm going to type in the word whale. We're just going to do some looking here. We see, I'm looking like for things that I can create that's print on demand. So we see a type of whale. I think it's beluga, the snail in the whale. We see killer whale. Don't really see any shirt items or anything like that. Let's look up this type of whale. And let's see what comes up. It says stuffed animal. Let's go a step further and let's put in the word shirt. We see shirt for women, shirt for kids. We're just going to hit that. Okay, so 91 search results. And I don't know if I'm saying it right. Bigula, Begula, Bigala. I don't know. I feel like it says bugula whale. So we have like 91 search results for that whale. And then there's a shirt that looks like it has done really well where it says types of whales. That's really nice. We have something with Nemo. I don't know if that's good. We have whales in the shape of a heart. And it seems like all of these shirts have done pretty well, which tells you that you can definitely come into this niche and make some sales because all of these shirts have seemed to have sold. All right, so we're going to go down to clothing so we can test that theory to see if it still has like a low BSR. Well, not search results. We are now on clothing and it has 91 search results for this type of whale. As you see, this first shirt here has anything to do with the whale, but it showed up #1 on the search results. Some of the same shirts, so this is definitely something that you can possibly get into. This shirt alone has 799 views. I don't know how much money they're making at $12.99, but has a lot of views there. But yeah, so I know that the orcas are something huge too in the whale community. You can definitely possibly make some money with these shirts here. That could be a really good niche to get into. I'm just gonna wait here until the producer search results come up and we're gonna see what it has for us. So it has price ranges here, rankings, reviews, and things like that. Some top focus keywords. You have a few long tail keywords, Amazon suggested keywords, the suggested keywords here again, and then a few more suggested keywords. All of these are good because you can take this and you can copy it to your clipboard and you can add them in when you sign up for merch. This is really good. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this Let's Niche Down series as we use the keyword whale. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.